What is up, guys? Welcome back to another torque line video. This is the second part of working on the old Mustang, and we have got a lot of work to do on this Mustang. I've got a lot of parts ordered. They are coming this week, next week. We still have a ton of work to do on this, but first we need to get the shop cleaned, so we're gonna get it cleaned right now. Now that we got the shop all cleaned up, looking a little better in here, we are gonna dive into this motor, gonna get it a lot more clean, and then kind of see what we're working with in here. I know there's a few things I really want to look at, but first off, we're just going to get it all cleaned off first and see if we can't find where some of my issues were with that metal in the bottom. I think it's a lifter, and if that's the case, then I know the cam's probably bad, and that's good because we're getting a new cam. So yeah, that'll be here hopefully sometime this week. And yeah, we will start getting stuff installed on this bad boy. I'm super excited, so make sure you guys follow along for the video, and we're gonna get right into it. All right, we're gonna get this thermostat housing off. See if we can find that right. Just cleaned up all the tools, so I'm gonna make sure I keep them organized. Buddy. 2. Thermostat and thermostat housing are out. Got things over here all organized. All these bags have all the bolts in them, and all of our stuff laid out nice. So we are going to, we're gonna start cleaning this motor.
Well, it took us an hour to walk that far, carrying our porcelain mason jar.
All right, once again, back here at the motor. Today, we're gonna pull these heads, take a look at the pistons, see how they look. So let's get right into that. Okay guys, here's a little look at these. They're looking really good actually. I'm not seeing too many, if any, marks on these at all. There's a teeny bit on this one, but I ran my fingernail across it and it felt pretty good. So we are gonna keep this the same, not touch it. I'm gonna pull this other side, make sure it looks good too. And then we will just keep cleaning the rest of the motor and getting it ready for the cam. We got both sides exposed. They are looking nice. Pulling all the lifters right now. I'm gonna replace all of these, so I'm not too worried about scuffing them up, but I'm just rotating the engine, seeing ones that pop up. There's one right there. I'm gonna grab it carefully. See if we can't get it to pull it out. I'm thinking this is what I found in the bottom, so I'm hoping I find one that's broken, but right now it's not looking too promising, so we're gonna keep pulling these out. Okay guys, it's time to pull the cam off. We're gonna take these 2 bolts off. We got the timing set off, and then we're gonna slowly pull this cam out. Just like that, guys, we have got the old cam out. This thing looks pretty good. Don't got too much wear or anything. But yeah, old one is out, time for the new one. This is my 351 Cleveland 4-valve that's going in my 73 Mustang Fastback, and today we're going to be getting the heads put back together, so let's get to it. And on top of getting the heads all ready, we're going to get all the engine parts cleaned up so it is ready to go back in that motor after we throw the cam in, as well as the hydraulic lifters. And yeah, once we get this motor put back together, we will get the transmission hooked up to it. Then we will drop it in the fastback and she will be good to go. So I'm super excited for this. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, we're gonna get right into it. I've never done this before. I'm gonna kind of try to figure it out myself, see if I can't get it back together. So we got new valve springs from Comp Cams right here. Got retainers. We got the top cap things. I don't know what they're called, but yeah, we got those. And we got new seals for the valve springs. We got all the valves and all the springs out, so those are looking good. Now we're gonna hit this head and make sure it is all clean and ready for the new springs, which we have right here. We're gonna use the old retainer caps because the new ones I got won't work. But anyways, we're gonna clean up the valves too. They're got a little debris on them, but we'll clean those up. And yeah, even though it's taking forever, I don't know. I like it. It's fun. To me, I know some people don't like it, but I like it, so yeah. And if you're watching this, you probably like it. All right, guys. This side is done. Looking good. Now we're gonna start working on that one, so more of the same stuff. Hey guys, we're back at the Mustang and we're gonna take a little break from the motor today and we are gonna get this engine bay all clean. We're gonna push it outside and blow it all off and then start cleaning on this engine bay. guys, me and Dalen here getting all the parts cleaned up so they're ready to go back on the motor when we're done. So we're just gonna keep cleaning these up. The engine bay is looking pretty nice, so yeah, we'll keep cleaning. Okay guys, that's gonna finish it up for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe because all of this is gonna be going in the Mustang. This room is full of parts and we're super excited to get them all in. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video and we will see you guys later. Love you guys.